I am very blessed to have a really great practice, and as great as my practice is, almost all the patients that I see have basically the same complaints that any other doctor might have. They hurt, pain, that's the number one reason patients come to see doctors, or they're tired. So what could cause a person to be tired? Well, the list is enormous, and because I do a lot of anti-aging therapy or healthy aging therapy, most people think of hormones. Well, there's another cause that's super common, and it's very, very dangerous. In fact, some people might say that it's lethal. It's sleep apnea. People have heard about sleep apnea, and most people, when they hear about the testing that you need to do and then the treatment that you have to get, they'd rather not even think about it. Well, I'm going to ask you to think about it, because sleep apnea can cause you to have possibly even 20 years of life cut off your total lifespan. So it's a big deal. A sleep lab frequently is used to diagnose the problem. So you put somebody kind of like a rat in a cage and hook them up to all sorts of wires, and I don't think I'd sleep well either. But there's new studies that are out that you can do at home. Put a couple leads on, and you go home and you sleep in your own bed. And if your sleep is disturbed more than 4 or 5 times a night, then the likelihood is you have some kind of sleep apnea problem, and you'd be improved by maybe a dental device that puts your jaw down lower. Maybe you could lose some weight. I can help you with that. Your doctor can help you with that. And maybe you need a CPAP machine, and that Darth Vader machine, it's not like that anymore. They have whisper models. They're quiet and they work really well. And if you need it and it saves your life, there are people who say CPAP changed and saved their life. And I think they're being honest, and I think it's worth looking at. So with sleep apnea, you want to ask the question, are you just sleepy, or do you have sleep apnea? And now with new in-home studies, it's easy to find out. It's not super duper expensive. It's not unbelievably uncomfortable. And the information that you'll get will be valuable and possibly even save your life.